Hey friends and fam, would you believe that you could find a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home updated on a cul-de-sac with so much land, no homeowners association, in the heart of Orlando? I'm talking an incredible location. Minutes to downtown Orlando, minutes to the airport and the university corridor, UCF, Rollins College, Valencia, and top shopping like Waterford Lakes and Winter Park Village. Well, look no further than 2503 Howitt Lane. This open split floor plan has been incredibly updated. I'm talking the cabinets have been updated, the appliances, new piping, new windows, even new engineered hardwood floors. All you have to do is move it. And not included in the square footage is this big Florida patio porch enclosed with your new windows. And look at this backyard, guys. It is so epic. If you look behind me, you've got cactus with passion fruit that are growing. You can build your pool, your garden, and so much more, like epic barbecues. And then for those of you who are hobbyists, we have a nice shed if you're a gardener or if you have your tools. And if you've got a dog, guys, this huge yard is completely enclosed. So if you're interested in this home, my name is Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Door Realty. Comment Orlando home below and we will send you more videos and we'll send you more information on this home, and I will see you guys on the next video.